Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to my craft room. If you're new here, welcome. I do weekend updates videos, not very consistently, especially this summer, but I like to just show you what I'm working on and what's going on in here. And I've been playing in my craft room. It's afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and I've been playing in here since like 5 a.m. off and on all day. I have not done any big projects, which for me is restraint, because I'll show you what I almost started, but what I've been doing is sort of digging into things and tidying and getting ready for fall, right? Like some stuff, if it was a summer or a spring item and I never touched it, then it's time for it to go, right? Miss Zelda wanted my chair. She probably doesn't want to share it. She just wanted the chair. And now she wants to know why Zeus left. So she likes to nap in this chair. As you think about what's going on in your craft space, and you might have 2 boxes under a bed, you might have your dining room table, we've all done that, right? The avalanche, the closet. Think about, is all that stuff bringing you joy? What I've been doing today, I'll put in a picture from early this morning, and it wasn't really meant to be a before and after. I just happened to take the picture because my friend Katie asked me how my room was looking. You can see it, for me, it wasn't that bad. The 6-foot table is still in here. It's just behind the camera, but it doesn't have much stuff on it, just like my purse and a couple things for work. What I did was I started digging in. I had iris cases that had been sitting over there, 2 of them that hadn't moved in I don't know how long. If we'd been doing a picture of that corner every week, probably for months. One of them is a to-do box. I don't even know what's in there, and I hopefully left myself some notes, maybe. But I've really gone through and been thinning and saying, okay, do I want this? Do I want these stickers? Please forgive my voice. I'm still a little bit under the weather. It just kind of crackles. And it's about 90 degrees here, and our air quality is a little marginal too. So just kind of all the things. It'll get better though. So when you hear me in my videos, just know that I don't feel that bad anymore. So I think I'm good. Anyway, so let me show you what I've been working on, what I did, what I resisted the urge to do. Tony, I might do it tonight. I'll try and film it if I do. We're going to go out to dinner. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow, or maybe in the members Zoom, I'll work on it. Ooh, maybe. But if I do that, I won't film it. Probably won't do that. Anyway, members, don't forget our Zoom is tomorrow at 2 because we bumped it because of the holiday weekend. This corner, now this is not beautiful. And I know a lot of you are like, well, it's not perfectly sorted and da-da-da. It's pretty well sorted for me. Pages, regular size pages, oversized pages, cover supplies, sheet music, stuff I don't really know what I'm going to do with. I know the file folders what I'll do, but this really thick paper that I coffee or tea dyed, I honestly don't know what my plan was there. Probably didn't like it white, so I thought, oh, I'll try it, different color. Fabric, I really don't have that much, do I? No, she says, knowing that's not true. There's a cupboard, in the cupboard of shame, there's more fabric, but I don't know if there's big pieces. That's like fat quarters and big enough to do covers. Some old journal planners, and some books. So overall, not bad. In the before and after pictures, you'll see there was stuff on the counter. It's all been merged in, and I put a whole bunch of things in the trash and recycle, right? We've had that talk about as junk journalers. It was headed there anyway. You don't have to keep it forever. Something to think about. This is what I almost started and couldn't quite resist. Tony sent me this calendar. Don't send me happy mail, you guys. I don't need it. But look at this. It has pockets. And I was like, why doesn't every calendar in the US all the time have pockets? I always have stuff that needs to be tucked in. This is what I'm envisioning. Now, I don't know if it works yet, Tony, but this is what I'm thinking. I'm going to cut the top off. I don't know if I'm going to, how far down. Probably just enough to take the tattered part off. And not that I mind the tatter, I just don't know that I feel like fighting with this thing. I don't care if the top is tattered. And then fold it in half, and this becomes a journal with pockets. If all the pages have pockets, it'll probably get a little thick. So maybe turn some upside down, and the butterflies are flying upside down, and then glue between them to tighten them up maybe, or like right here, so they're tucks that work upside down, maybe. I'm not sure what my cover will be, because I don't think I'm going to make a cover with a page of this that's the exact same size. It just won't work very well because you need a thickness to wrap around. So I might have to look like there's, I don't know, old plans and stuff, or I could go through cover supplies and see what I have in here that's oversized. 12 by 12 isn't going to work, but I have paper bags that I could paint or stamp. I mean, there's all sorts of things. It may be a UFO journal where they're just folded in half for months. I've been working on my digitals. I don't use a lot of digitals, so I probably don't have a big audience that's really into them. But a while ago, I put some family pictures on. This wasn't the final because like some of them, they just didn't turn out well enough. But I put some family pictures on my Etsy. And then today I put the report cards that were from that vintage scrapbook. Oh my gosh. I was going to film the other one for you guys, but I just didn't think I could talk for 30 minutes. And I didn't know if it would be as good if I just flipped. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I can't talk for that long. This is a little better. This stuff was mixed in all over, and I went through every shelf and touched it and decided these are probably ephemera supplies or small pages. They were just mixed in everywhere, but they're like cool things that I have tea-dyed or I'm ready to play with. This I thinned out a little bit in Smash Our Stash. I got these out because, I don't know, I just said these should probably be looked through. So I pulled them out. Then this was the box that had been sitting over there on the cabinet for months. And then I added a couple things to it. So I need to go through it. I probably had a plan when I was doing fabric scraps. Here's a piece of a journal cover, the scrap from that. I never use these and I moved them around the room thinking I will. It should be an SOS category was the note I made. A fall journal cover. We should probably find that and think about doing something with it. Okay, so these are UFOs. Oh, maybe should have done the July Daily. See, too much fun. Too many fun ideas. I think this needs to be a journal though. Probably this month or next month, right? I wanted to work on this box. Use up and do is kind of like a use it or lose it box. I mean, obviously I'm not going to throw away my journal cover, but I don't know for sure what I'm going to do with these sticky foil things. I think these might have come in Happy Mail. I was thinking maybe die cutting big stars or something. Not sure yet. I have this set out because it's going to be a clear it out thing. I think it's for next month. I can't remember what my plan is. I don't know what other videos I have in the pipeline that are random like this. Hi, Missy. So this is Zelda, if you're new here, and she was terribly, terribly scrawny. And now she's just a sleek, sleek, beautiful girl, and she has the softest hair. Yeah, she has the softest hair. And she's getting more civilized. She took a Post-it this morning that had a bunch of red marker on it and got it all slobbery and wet. And I took it from her before she ate it. And I was like, ooh, I won. And then I saw the water bowl and it looked like there'd been a murder. And there was red ink on the floor because she got it all over. Hi, Missy. Yeah. So clearly it's snuggle time. And she is my rowdy one. Yeah. So for her, this is a lot of loving because usually she has to go do something bad. Yeah, she has things she has to do. And I don't know where Eliza is. I think she's in a nap. Is it nap time? Zelda. Yeah. Are you going to show him your pretty eyes? Oh, jealous. The door's shut and Eliza heard me sweet talking this one. Yeah. Okay, we'll go get her too. Come on, Eliza Jane. You want to be in the video too? Come on. Okay, come over here. Oh, over here. Over here. Over here. Miss Eliza, come here. Oh, she just wanted to be in the room. Yeah, look at you. All sugars. Eliza Jane. Yeah, she is not skinny. Are you going to show everybody how big you grew up? Yes. Yes, she says, look how pretty I am, though. I think you're all up to speed. Zelda is chewing on the tripod, so that might be jiggling the camera a bit. I am going to wrap this up because I need some water. My voice is a little scratchy. And I hope that you're all taking time for crafting and relaxing, getting a few things done. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you the drawer, the stamp drawer. I will put pictures in. Here, let me show you. Ta-da! They are all washed and put away. I'll insert a photo right now so you can see what it looked like this morning before I started. So this was probably like a, I don't know, half hour, 40-minute thing. Now it opens and it closes and it's so much better. The mess on the counter, I mean, we just did some of that, so it'll be fine. And see, it's a battle for the chair. It's a battle for the napping chair. Is this the best napping chair? All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Come back and hang out in the craft room with us again soon. Bye-bye.